Hello, in this video we will see how to create a calculator, that is standard calculator, by using the javafx. So let me create a new class, calculator. So we'll use the FlowPane for the calculator example. So we know that we have the different panels. Sorry, we need to extend the application class. Implement the unimplemented method here. Then invoke the init method of the application class by the launch. Then default properties, the show properties of the window, that is our stage. And we will give here calculator. Then to the stage we are going to set the scene. Then let's create a scene object. Scene needs the root. Our root object is FlowPane. To the FlowPane we'll pass the gap between horizontal and vertical gaps. Now we'll set the max width and mean width. Now what we need exactly for the calculator, we need the buttons. So these are the buttons. So we have the CA, back, divide, multiply, and these number pad. So how we can create, let me create a list of these all the variables. So we have the C. I'll click quickly I'll copy these all the button names. Now let's create the button object. Button, new button. So I'll put here yes. We'll say button dot set mean size. Button dot We'll say the root object dot get the children dot add button. Now after this root we have added here, let's check the view. Yeah, here we go. So we got this entire view into the see button objects. So here it is, we need some padding, so let's set the padding. Root dot set padding. So we need a new, let's mention this. This is the top, bottom, right, bottom also will take this much, left also take similar. Now after this we need here one text field. So we'll create a text field object. Text field t is equal to new text field. So default is showing the 0 value. Then text field dot set min max size. So I will take here children dot add. Let's see now how it is appearing. So let's increase this. Yeah, it is a nice view now. So now what we can do, alignment, text alignment we have to set t dot set alignment pose dot center right. So center right we have taken here. Now we have to set the editable false here. Set editable false so that text field cannot be edited. Now if any event occurred on the set on action, so I will take the event handler here. So if anything event occurred, then I will say dot out dot b dot get text. So here I will calculate operations. This text we need to pass. Let me create a private method here. So in the private method, so I have created an object of t dot append the text, whatever the text I have received. So let's run this. Now let's do the check. So check related also we can set here only. Now set the stage dot set resizable property to false. We'll do the number check here. Now here we have to debug the operations. So if the input text is in the else block, we have to do all the mathematical operations, like if it is equal to plus, then addition operation with the previous data and the current data. If it is subtraction, then subtraction we have to, of course we have to concatenate to the number format. So this is how the calculator will work. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.